Hi guys, as always, Mr. TC for News Idea of Housing. Today I'm going to show you how you could recycle some laminate. It's a very simple DIY project that can be complete over one day or even one afternoon. And all this happening on my CTV. As you may know, most of the time when we are placing laminate on the floor, we end up having some slat left, right? At least for the most of us. And at home, as we were dealing with the same situation, I've decided today that I'm going to show you how I'm creating this wood-looking accent to the wall and just using a few slats and a small space. Alright, enough talking, let's do it! And here are the 3 laminate slats we are going to work with. First, I will go to the space in order to take the measurements to have the right dimensions where I need to cut the laminate. Then moving to my workbench with the laminate in order to make the cuts and create some straight edges. As an advice, I will tell you to use some clamps in order to attach them to the workbench. Then after that, using my plunge saw to make the cut. Alright, as you can see, now we are all ready to create the different tiles. Using the measurements I previously took in the space, I will be here tracing each line accordingly. And then again, using my plunge saw for the cut. And voila! The different tiles ready to start assembling. And one of the best ways to achieve this design is to place a piece of tape on the top of each tiles. And here is a first look of it. But wait, we are not done yet. To install each pieces, I will advise you to start from the bottom and drive your way up to the top. To do so, you will just need to add some tapes on each slat, which will also help you to easily insert them to the space. And now we are going to move to the last one to place on the top, and for this last piece, you will need to put the tape only on the back. Et voila! Here we are! Filling up some empty spaces with some recycled laminate. And as you could see, the today project was a short one, but all about recycling. We all know how difficult it can be to recycle sometimes. So I wanted to share this idea with you in order to create more awareness about small and easy steps we all can do in order to avoid having to throw away too much. And we also have some members in our community showing you some other ways to recycle and refurbish. So feel free to go to the ATC app to check them out and talk to them. They have a lot of things to say. Believe me. As usual, Mr. ATC for News Idea of Housing. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to the channel, and you would like to see every week what we're working on, feel free to subscribe just right here and click on the bell to receive a notification every time we are uploading new content. I will see you next week. Bye!